You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is d smaller than 8. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the d. Multiply both sides by 4. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is d smaller than 8.